Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Roche. You can see it's from Roche CoaguChek XS PT test strips. These are used in the CoaguChek machine. You can see the point of care testing CoaguChek XS PT test. This is used in all these three machines: CoaguChek XS, CoaguChek XS Plus, XS Pro. This is a 24 test strip pack. It's from Roche. The other side, you can see this is made in Germany. CAVD certified product. It can store in a room temperature. You can see the CoaguChek. You can see the standard expiry period is given here. This one, the expiry is in December 2024. You can see the reference part number. Yeah, this is a 25 test. So this is 24 test strip pack. I'll open this for you. I'll just show you around. Okay, got this. There's one more box here. I'll open one box for you. Okay, you can see this here. Okay, inside. Okay, we get these. Okay, these are this IFU brochure is given here. This is completely. This has the user instruction. There is two languages given here. In English, you will get the complete instruction for use, and how to conduct your test, how to prepare your samples, and interpret your results. All the details are given here. And there is one ID chip. You can see there is one ID chip that has to be used along with the machine. So you have to use this ID chip, and then you can see the CoaguChek XS PT test. You can see the reference code and also the lot number, and the expiry period, and the storage temperature, the 24 test kit. See this here. Okay, got this. Just opening this for you. To open this for you, it's very tight. This is very tight. Actually, you can see these strips. I just open this for you. I got that open, but yeah, it's here. There's the cap. You can show the strips. You can see the strip. So the strips looks like one side of the strip, on this side. So the strips looks like. Once open and put it here. Okay. Just quickly to summarize here, if you see today we are seeing the Roche CoaguChek XS PT test strips, the box unboxing. So in the 24 test kit box, you can see there is one instruction for use brochure, and then there is one ID chip to go with the machine, and then you get the 24 test strips in this box. You can see the 24 test strips here. Thank you.